You got me right.
So
See, this
transmitters
sensors
and
and
all.
all is there. Yeah, transmitters. Like normally you'll have some DCS system, or like
Yeah.
we'll call it as an PLC system in the control room. Okay. Now again, it has a in middleware will be there. Okay. From here, there should be an interface with the SAP. Okay. Through idocs or XML file, it will come. Okay. I will say like idocs or directly like SML file. Okay, it will come to the SAP. Here, like values are there. Means example said the temperature keep changes. So IW means sorry, this temperature of measuring points. Okay, the whatever we'll call it as a measuring point. Say it is 30. Say it is 32. Say it is 33 something. At what interval of time you are fetching these details? Say like every 2 hours, every 3 hours. Then you got one report. Say like again you want to generate one report, or you want to predict this at 6 hours like duration. Okay, what is your prediction for 6 hours, or like prediction of last 1 week? Means last 1 week values, like it will consider, then it will predict and it will tell it is an increasing one. So you keep some limit for that, then you create on our work order. So what we learned is manual. Okay, example say measuring point is created, then mdoc is created, then while entering the mdoc, then you manually trigger an order, or through quotes you directly create an order. Okay, this is a one. So we have to
Okay.
do all the interfaces and all, but like anyway, it will be covered like in theoretical session in detail, like how it will be, how we can have this much. And anyway, we are covering this idocs, right? In that, like whatever you require values, right, those we can have it. So from idocs, like you want to have a measuring points, then you want to have an, it means measuring documents you want to have, and again like equipments, other details like order details or planning details we can have. Same formula you can apply for anything else also. Go for SPRO, SAP reference IMG. Go for your plant maintenance customer service. Oh, sorry, quality management, right? So go for quality inspection. In this, like go for inspection lot completion. Okay, in this you go for define follow-up actions for usage decisions. Means in usage decisions, we are facing this particular issue. Okay, one issue first. UD1. There are like so many follow-up actions. For that, there are function modules defined. Okay, in a backend, there will be a program. Function modules will be there. So there are many. In this, like ours is QM underscore PM. Okay, update like maintenance data. Select this, go for your function modules. Okay, there are 3 function modules. One is like measuring points, like it will assign. Okay, whatever we do, we can have like measuring points assigned, means results can be assigned, means calibration results can be assigned to back to your measuring points. Okay, that one, this is a function module. Another one is status set. It was not changing like status. So if you, it should be active. Okay, set equipment as status. Okay, here. Equipment status. Now it will change, like our equipment status will change. Now another one option was there, like technically complete. Okay, from there, like we can again do confirmation anyway is there. Shit. This technically set is there. Okay, we can complete the order technically techo from your UD only. So we have enabled this. This is one for configuration, it was missing. And results, the evaluation type was also changed, right? So I will go for that also. QD-V3. We created a sampling procedure using the T code QD-V1. Go for your Z, this one. Here it should be like mean value within tolerance range. Okay. Mean value within the tolerance means it will check these values, if whether it is in range or not. Then it will give us the error. Okay. Yesterday, like we had selected a non-conforming units. Okay. I guess like, yeah, here attribute inspection non-conforming units. Here it will check lot. For lot, it was giving us the warning message saying that you have picked the less lot, you have picked the like more values, like okay, lots. But here values means here we are, if we select like mean value within the tolerance range, then it will check the values, means results whatever we are giving. Okay, now we will check this practical. These 2 issues were there. Okay, status set and this values it was not taking. So let me go back to this. Another one was order part, right? Okay, let me go to from where we will start. Let me like schedule you. Okay, we have seen this particular schedule. or like I'll create a maintenance plan only directly. So create maintenance plan, equipment, okay, task list we didn't create. I'll go for this. Yesterday we have considered some mega, right? Same thing, like I'll create another one. Say again, coil R1. I'll create coil resistance. So go for this. Then quantitative, go for here, it will be released. Complete copy model. Then coil resistance. Here you provide search field as coil R1. Okay, now I'm going for the control indicators. Here we are mentioning lower specific limit and upper specific limit. Now it will be as per the sampling procedure, it will be effective. Okay, yesterday it was not effective. Now again sampling procedure we are enabling. Okay, now it will be effective. Go for this. Then this one, everything is fine. So continue. Here you provide the values. Okay, I'll provide the ohms. Then again like some 50. Value some 50. Lower limit is 40. Upper limit is some 60. Anything we can keep. So continue. This also I have mentioned in the PPT. Okay, released. Everything is fine. Yeah, quantitative data, everything is filled. Next, I'll go for some probe resistance. Right, R1. Probe R1. Then go for your master inspection characteristics. Quantitative, released, complete model, probe resistance. Then here, search field, let it be probe R1. Go for your control indicators. Mention your lower specific, upper specific, and sampling procedure. So continue. Target value, probe resistance, some here 10, here I'll give some 8, here some 13, something like that. So continue. Okay, quantitative, everything is fine now. Now two inspection characteristics got created. Okay, come back. Now we will go for, if master inspection characteristics is done, then we'll go for creation of task list, right, for the equipment. So let me, where I have given task list, I guess some maintenance plan. Yeah, in maintenance plan, create equipment task list. Yesterday we created an equipment, you know, like how we can create in Fury app. Okay, same equipment, like I'm going to use it, but new task list I'm going to create. Okay, profile. So continue. Okay, already like there are 3 are there. So let me go and create a new one. So new entries, fourth counter. It is an editable, still I can edit it. So I'll go for some planner group, overall status, release a general, system condition, in not in operation. Then here I'll go for strategy. If you require strategy, you can assign. If you're going for single cycle plan, not required. But anyway, this task list will be useful for both, right? So we will keep this. And major configuration setting means again here in this task list related to the calibration, this should be filled up. Inspection points. This also we have seen this. Inspection points should be 300. Okay, this also like I have mentioned. This is done. Sampling procedure is done. Then inspection characteristics like I have showed you. Okay, to fill it up. Specific limits. Then here also upper range, lower range will filling. Go for your equipment task list. Then if you go for this, here you have to fill it up. This 300 points, inspection point for equipment. This is mandatory. Go for your operations. Else like here it will tell inspection characteristics when we are going right. It will tell like the points are not assigned. Okay, that error it will come. Now here, calibrate coil. Calibrate some probe. Okay. Yeah. Two operations are filled. Okay, copy it. Means select those things. Go for your inspection characteristic. Now we can assign a master inspection characteristics, which are already we have means which we are created. So available in the system. Go for your search field. In this coil R1. Okay, integer. For one operation also, we can assign like both. That is also fine. Yeah. Then enter. It will ask like sampling procedure. Okay, this is editable. Okay, this is edited. Okay, I have changed this. The settings where it was because of this only used to face an error. Yeah. Okay. Next, like again, you go for next operation. Go for your master inspection characteristics again. Go for your probe R1. Okay, PROB. Here you go. Select this combined. Okay, sampling procedure. We'll give this a sampling procedure. Okay, everything is fine. Then you can go for a header data. Check. It's fine. Save it. Now 19 and 4. Okay, one more maintenance items do not have packages. Like this, it'll pop up will come. Okay, continue because we have not assigned anything, right? So let me go for a change. Go for your menu. Go for equipment task list. Go for your change part. Enter. Again, this one. Bigger. Fourth one, right? Go for your where you want to do it. Operations level. So go for your maintenance package. See, this is not there. So I will tick mark every month like we want to calibrate this particular measure. We can have it. Okay. Header, I want to change this as R1. So save it. 19, group 19 and 4 got created. So come back. Now what is the second step? The next step. Anyone? Master inspection characteristics like we have defined, task list. We have assigned that MIC to your task list. Then now you have to create a maintenance plan. Okay, since we are going for the planned one, right? Planned order. So create a maintenance plan. And going for this maintenance plan. Plan for your maintenance order. Maintenance plan type, time-based. Maintenance plan number will give, like system will give us the number. Maintenance plan, go for it. Then what is your technical object? Equipment, sort field, MEG. Yeah, 3084 is the one equipment. Yeah, make correct. So continue. So this much is there. We can give an item description. Calibration of measure some R1. Yeah, come down. Provide the priority. 1 second. Yeah. Go for your assign task list. Now we will have multiple one. It will direct access. Okay, here instead of this direct access, here it was better. We'll filter it up. Okay, task list type, then technical object. In this like technical object, it will fetch from here maintenance plan only. Then okay, it will give us the substance. Yesterday only one was there. Now like we have some 4. In that 4th one, I'm going to select. So continue. Okay, here we are saying here directly it will come like 19 group counter 4. It will give one value. Okay, next, anything else to be filled over here? System conditions, not in operation, priority, some medium. Then any sort field is there? No, nothing. Go for your planning data. Yeah, here we can sort it under this boiler mechanical team. Then start date for scheduling. Today's date I will select. End date for scheduling. After this, it won't be scheduled. Okay. Then this, $100 tolerance, some 10%, 10%. Scheduling indicator as a time key date. Okay, scheduling here, like I'll go for some 2 years period, 1 month, right? Let it be there for 2-year period. Then call origin 90%. Okay, since it is a single cycle plan, we have to provide this 1 month. Okay, cycle set. Then go for your classification. You want to classify anything. Okay, under this, we can assign certain parameters. Okay, class type is 080 maintenance plan class. Yeah, everything is fine now. Technical object selected. So now save this maintenance plan. Okay, once maintenance plan is created, you know we have to schedule that particular maintenance plan. So I'm going for the schedule maintenance plan. I guess some 200. I didn't check that. I guess, yeah. Calibration of maker. So since it is a new, go for the start. Today's start time. Some save it. So it's been saved. 200 has been scheduled now. Maintenance plan. Now let me go for again this plan only. Enter. We will release it manually. So save it. Now order will be created. Error. Again, is there any log? So credit. Okay, it's related to some finance one. It's fine. Oh, which order we created? We didn't notice. Okay, it is an Z010, right? We have set maintenance item. Okay, fine. See here, major first thing like we should notice is if we go for a anywhere display maintenance plan is there. Okay, go for a display maintenance plan. Finder. Go for IP03. Yep. Go for your display maintenance plan. What is your maintenance plan number? 200. See, this we should ensure. This anyway by default we have set. Okay, many times like again user will come up, they will schedule, they'll come up saying that there are certain issues. Okay, if order type is different, okay, they are not done any maintenance item configuration settings by default, then some other order type. Okay, we cannot generate some corrective maintenance order and go for a result recording. It doesn't come. So ensure this one. This is most important. Yeah, now it is fine. Now anyway, like schedule, it is done, right? Okay, I can go over here only. Go for your order number. Go for maintenance plan schedule calls. Okay, I didn't save that. There was some error. So go for this. Still, like we'll go ahead. Yes, some FICO error is there. So save it. While determining cost, some error is there. Still, I want to go ahead. So it got saved. So come back. Go for maintenance plan schedule calls. Select this. Go for your call object. Now you will have this particular order number. Okay, view is different. Anyone has noticed this view? Normal regular view. Okay, this one I'll keep the same. Okay, next like I'll go for again another one session. Now I'll go for the order part. So where I have kept the order, yeah. I'll go for change maintenance order. In this change maintenance order, we don't see that inspection lot symbol. Okay, this view is different. So I have opened this particular one. Go for this view. For this is a different view detail. That is a different one. See here, the long text. Here you see the display one. Okay, this comes with an IW32 app. Okay, for that this is the view. It's there. For this one again, phase-based model will go again. It will be different. Okay, means we can have different views. Okay, standard those are. That is the way. Like here, see now it is in created status. Okay, once like ILAS is there, here we cannot see that. Okay, again separate view. I'll show you that how we can check again. So now we are in change. We cannot put like, see here it is release is grayed out. Once you go for set user status, I'll go for the scheduled one. So once it's scheduled, see I can release it now. So go for the release. Once cell release, ILAS will be there. Okay, inspection, a lot assigned, save it. Okay, again go for your additional functions. Here you can check this status information. This is like inspection lot assigned. Okay, now if you want to check, then we are again like I'm going to change this. Why? Because next like I want to go for once it is released, lot is been assigned. Next step is directly result recording. that after calibration. So I want to change this because from there only I want to do the confirmation. So save it. Okay, it has been saved. Again, I'm changing it to operation completed. Why I will tell. So if TECO happens, right, from there, then here system status doesn't allow. Okay, unless it is job finished. Here, like we have not, we didn't maintain any restrictions. So I'm setting this user status at job finished level. Okay, here we can have like set user status. We can have like approved. We can have like a cold job, all those things. Everything is job finished, approved, cold job. Yeah, inspection lot assigned. So save it. Now, if you again come back over here, refresh it. Yeah, here you can see that view. Okay, this is an IW32 app. Okay, means through that we can have it. See here you can see this 1017. Okay, again there is another one T code also. I will show you that. Else you can cross check over here. Go for your app finder. Go for your SAP menu. I guess like I have kept it separately. You can go for IW32. So this app is different again. View. This is a GUI. Same like a GUI screen, you'll get it. So this change maintenance order. Okay, you go for the change maintenance order. Then this is the one. Enter. Currently being processed. Okay, this one. So come back. Go for this. No. Enter. See here, inspection lot. You can see in this screen. This screen is different. Okay. Normally we'll use this one only. Okay, sorry. This here which we have closed. This change maintenance order. This symbol is different. This app and this one is IW32. Retail. Okay. Now there is another one thing. So let me go for again here inspection lot. Display like data for inspection lot. I'm going for this QA33 app. Okay. Now example say inspection lot origin. You want to check like all the one means inspection lots created against the plant maintenance and go for your 14 inspection lot. Okay, select this. Okay. Like execute it. See everything has come. All inspection lots got generated. Now 1017 we are working on. Right? This one. 1017. We are working on this. So let me go for this 1017. See, go for your inspection lot quantities mentioned in specifications. Again, if you go for this specifications, it will give this task list one. What are the specifications? And okay. Then come back. Come back. Then go for your usage decisions. Okay, not evaluated yet. Okay, this is like data for account assignment is against this order. Okay, for account purpose and all. It will be used. So come back. Okay, let it be. Now we know where we'll go for results recording. Okay, again, like we have saved that one under inspection round work list. Go for this work list. Now, what is your equipment? This is my equipment. Okay, if you just like enter the equipment, that would be sufficient. Okay, I have taken this screenshot also. I have mentioned you in the PDF. Okay, now both two operations are there. One is calibrate coil, calibrate a probe. Go for this. Go for your equipment. See, now we can enter the result. Okay, I guess what is the previous? I don't know. Okay, now I will enter the say like wrong one I will enter. Okay, some 70 because right one anyway we have seen. So 70 means it is not evaluated. Okay, rejected value. It is outside the limits. Okay,
So
or
yesterday
lower
this
range
was
also.
not coming, right?
not coming because like sample processing, we were majorly concentrating on inspected lot, okay, not on the result. So this was grayed out from their side. So now sampling procedure, we have given the limits, variation limit, that selection should be made for us. Yeah. So go for your save. Then it will ask like here, valuation anyway we can change. You don't require like adjustment required or can be used based on the value. Okay, it will come. So can be used normally if it is okay, or adjustment required or cannot be used. Anything we can use it. So this is editable still. So I'll go for confirmation. From here, I can make the confirmation, final confirmation, no remaining work. So come back. So continue. Once if you continue, automatically it will be saved. Okay, this is done now. So I'll go for the second operation. So continue for this. Go click on this. Then it will take you to this page. Some 8 is there, right? I will mention some 5. Okay, which is lower range value. Again, it is rejected. Upper range or lower range. It is not in limits. So got rejected. So save it. Now you go for your confirmation part. Final confirmation, no remaining work. Clear open reservations if any. So come back. Go for your continue. So results were saved for operation this. Okay, let me go for your display lot. Okay, here you refresh it. Okay, this tick mark. Go for this one. Then you see this inspect usage decision is not made, not evaluated. Inspection specifications. We'll go for inspection lot. Okay, for order from here, you can again go back to this. And again here, we can go for this particular case. Both are rejected. Characteristics. Okay, you want to go for the details part. Again, you can go for this mean value is some 70. Another one thing, some 5. Valuation is rejected. It got updated. Okay, this result. Come back. Come back. So this we will see it again. So we are left with overall usage decision. So let me go for overall usage decision on this inspection lot I am giving. Means in this lot, these two thing characteristics like we have measured. For that, there is a usage decision code. Okay, obviously I'll go for rejected. Okay, if rework is mentioned, we can mention the rework. Once I press like enter and then like save this particular one, then this pop-up will come up. Okay, this was also a configuration settings. Okay, it was missing. Earlier state was like not ready for use. Okay, proposal also not for ready for use. Okay, while testing, that is fine. You want to change, means anyway if you change also, see here, there is something called change, means this proposal, this proposal will become again like now current status. Okay, current status means before bringing, means about to bring to calibration, that case. Proposal means after calibration. Okay, now anyway it is same, so this tick mark was not there. So anyway, if you change also, anyway it will become not ready for use. So continue. Yeah, this is done now. So anyway, again, like I'll go for this case, come back, order part. Again, you go for the display. Now every work is been done. Okay, nothing is pending, just result is been failed. Okay, but like Teco is done. Okay, anyway work is done, right? Means result is not in the hands. So automatically we can do the Teco. If function module is set, then what I will do, I will go for your change maintenance order. I'll go for the next order. Okay, or else you can go for the search, advanced search. Go for your order type. This way you can go. Order type equal to Z01C. Okay, go for your search. Recent orders. We'll go for some 45. Okay, another one is there. 49 is there. Okay, 49 got created. It will be in created stage. So set your user status to next level. Then you can release this. Yeah, again, like I have to save this. Again, I'm changing all the user statuses. See, ILAS has been set. Then inspection lot number is being generated. If you go for display inspection lot and refresh it, another one will come. 1018 has come. Okay. So go for your calibration order. Just let me change all these things first. Operations are completed. Then directly like job finished. Okay, if you want to set like any other non-number user status, you can set it. Yeah, results recording. Go for this, come back and execute again. See, again another 2 has come. Okay. We can have this inspection lot locked. Somewhere we have opened it. Yeah, come back. So again, I'm going. So here, this time I will go with the right value. 50. This is right. Okay, validated. Can be used. Go for your confirmation again. Final confirmation, no remaining work. So continue. What is the value? Okay, 1. Okay, mean value here also we can type malicious 10 read. Valid. Save. Complete the confirmation. This is an optional step. Yeah, this is done. Again, directly I'm going for inspection lot. Okay, you want to see the characteristics. Now it is evaluated. Okay, evaluated. Now you go for usage decision. Again, you decide you are not satisfied with the values. Okay, rework is required. Okay, something, anything we can set. Go for like accepted now. Yeah, save it. Now again, there will be a pop-up. It will ask like, okay, ready for use. Again, which one we have taken? Okay, see now what happened earlier, it was current status was not ready for use, that we made it a ready for use. Now before bringing this for the calibration, it was like ready for use. Now again proposal is ready for use. Got it? Now again it doesn't ask anything change for this. Next time if you go and don't give a value, right, wrong values means anyway, that time it will be a case. So continue. So this way you can complete here. Go for your report QA32. So here I maintain display data for inspection lot.
So if it is failed in calibration, can it trigger some repair work order or something?
Repair work order. Yeah, we can have that enhancement.
So that would be enhancement.
This yeah, enhancement. And any business function is there, I have to check that. Anything we can activate any business function for next case. Okay, I don't think so, but we can have that again, like order, repair order, it should create. Okay, for the cancellation. Okay, why? Because we are using the codes, right? If it is accepted or not rejected, using that particular UD code, directly we can have it. Just like you have a function module, that's it. Whatever function module or BAPI will be there, then create a notification. Example, say that too, you don't directly want to, don't go for order, then go for your notification. That's
notification. Yes.
Yeah, BAPI like notif create is there, and that you can trigger it directly. So go for your investment. See now where we are. Calibration order is done. Investment order, or like we can go for capital investment order. Capital order, we will call it capital investment, or in general like investment order. Okay. This calibration order, investment order, they have not come up with phases. Okay. It will take some time. Now still like we are using the same one in Fury apps, like you can go for it. Okay, we can create what order type, just like your own means how I can tell. Same configurations, whatever we followed for calibration, right? Same thing we can follow, means order configurations, not the QM part, only the order type creations on. Same thing, you can create your calibration order. Okay, I'm using the existing one, not the Z type. As an assignment, you can consider, you can create an on this. Okay, investment order, any use case, how it will be useful.
Yeah, so
Other use
in
case.
our DG, suppose in case of our DG, it has spent almost its life. Okay, so we have decision either we can scrap it or we do a capital overhaul. Okay, and increase its life. Okay, so if it
Okay.
is possible, then we can do a complete overhaul, like liner change, everything on diesel side.
Yes, correct. Yes.
Yeah.
And that time example, say you want to increase some efficiency, you thought like there are 2 pumps, okay, and you want to increase it for 4 pumps or something like that. Okay, that is also investment, part of your capital overall. Okay, you buy something and you change the design, part of it. Okay, some running in 4, 5 in series, you want to make it a parallel, like that. All things like comes under this. You're not going for a new something project. That time you should go for project systems module, PM module, PS module. Okay, if you are going for the new project setup, this is an existing one only, as you said, like capital overall or some new things like you are purchasing, all those things you can make it. What order type? There are like we can create our own order types, right? In SAP, we'll check this order type first. Go for your SPRO, maintenance and service processing. Go for your maintenance service orders. Go for your functions and order settings. For order types, now configure your order type. Okay, this is your order, the capital investment order. Any name we can have. This is the configuration. Order category by default it is 30. Anyone noticed again notification category? Anyone remember notification category? This is important, okay? In when you're doing cross-functional, right? If we code all those things in long means logic, it will be written with respect to the 30 category. Okay, then it will apply for your order types. Okay, so certain cost settings, certain logics, and all it will get applied at a category level. Okay, same way we have for the equipment, all those things. Yes, see here, major thing is anyway, yesterday we see the settlement profile. Okay, now we will see this budget profile. Okay, 3 orders we have done. First is like a refurbishment order. Okay, here like it's a pure integration with MM, PM and MM part. Calibration, again, majority is you have seen just our order creation, inspection lot generation, that plant level activity, inspection type, okay, procedures, usage decision, everything. It is strong integration with your QM module. Okay, without QM, we cannot have a calibration. Without MM, of course, we don't have any other orders also, because stock components and all we should have. This is also strong again. Why? Because here we have changed this stock. Okay, valuation type, all those things are there. Here UD decision, usage decision. So now we are dealing with the investment order. Okay, this has strong integration with FI. The COA part is there, controlling part, that always will be there, budget in everywhere. But here we are integrating with
So
FI.
do we also
module.
need a project system in investment order?
No, that's why I said major you are going that time, like you go for project systems, and here partial we are using, as you asked, like see here from budget, from where it will flow. Okay, normally in other cases, here we'll go for MAT, material we will settle it to. Calibration by default, like cost center or something. Here, like majority will go for WBS element, or there is something called fixed asset.
Yeah.
Okay, if you are going for a WBS element, obviously, like again, PS person only will create it, WBS element in PS module.
Correct.
Okay,
So,
it's like
so
fixed
we
asset.
we can perform a set of, I mean, it's against fixed asset also, existing fixed asset.
Exactly, we can have it. We require this particular FICO person for this. Okay, fixed asset is means how it will be. See here what we are doing.
So in case if I am not using PS, okay, sorry, I have too many questions. So can I still use budget?
Budget will be there, yeah.
Budget
That
will be there.
module means WBS elements creation and all, it is part of that particular one only. Means PS module means what happens completely like you are not doing partial job you are doing like that. See now QM what we have done. QM with respect to PM we have finished. That's it. Okay, that much is ready for you. QM part for calibration order, and you are not using QM thing. Total one, but it will be there. That way we can use it. In some cases like PM module is not there, not implemented. That case they are raising for the maintenance anyway. Obviously maintenance will be there. Then how they are raising PR? Like again means outside of the PM one. There is no integration. Manually they have to create, and manually they have to move it. Means movement types will be there. It is called like move orders. They'll create a move order. Okay. In our case, again like goods issue against your order part. This way, many customizations are there. Depends on the plant. Some plants PM is implemented, but they don't want to use that PR part, purchase requisition or reservation part. That time they'll go for the move order. Separately, it's created by the planning department.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And here we have done. See, like stock, we have means decrease, increase stock we can do, and valuation type we are changing, especially. Okay, over here, and of course here the equipments like quality usage decision is done. Here same way in the background fixed asset is being created by the system. Okay, manually they can create. Here also manually they can create the PR, manually like all those happens, but we are doing it from PM side. Here also manually you can do the usage decision without the integration with the PM part. Okay, here what we are doing, fixed asset we are creating, one asset we are bringing to the company. Okay, through the plant maintenance. It's in a different case. Okay, majority it won't be used, but it is very helpful, this order, when you are going for capital overall, all those things. So what is the first configuration setting? Budget profile to be set at order type level. That is been set. Okay, we have seen this. This is the budget profile. Again, it is given by FICO team. There is another one path I will show you. If they set there directly, like it will get updated in our order type. They don't come and do it over here, or they'll inform us. We can update over here. What is a budget profile we should assign? See, there are two are there. In real time, there will be many. So we can assign the appropriate one. So come back. This is only one configuration settings we do at this particular level. And yeah, directly like we'll go for the order part. W31. So you are purchasing something new. Okay, you are not doing on existing equipment. So what I will do, I'll go for PM06, this one. Yeah, capital investment, PM06. So priority I'll mention. I don't mention any equipment. Okay, I'm not creating anything on that. So I have to procure that first of all. And overhauling it, existing one, I'm improving that. So capital investment I'm doing, I'm purchasing. So I'll provide a 1710 number plant for this particular plant. Now what we will mention, new diesel generator. Okay, some pump kind of thing, or you want to install like new diesel generator. Okay, new backup diesel generator. Already something is there, new backup diesel generator. Installation. Yeah, you provide like work center. Okay, you know about this estimated cost. Okay, say some 20,000 USD, something like this. Okay, then you'll go for operations part. Okay, new backup. Here I will mention installation of DG, erection of DG, something like this, and electrical jobs. and some civil jobs. Okay, we can have it. And this I will come back to inspection of DG. Okay, erection is done, electrical jobs, civil jobs, okay, and miscellaneous jobs, whatever. Everything is decided. Okay, now we will see the different control keys. Okay, civil jobs, example say, done by some contract team. Electrical jobs, again done by some contract team. Okay, inspection means this erection done by some third party. Okay, this inspection of DG is done by internal team. This way we can have. Okay. So for this, like scheduling, whether it is part of means for these three things, whether I should mention any number and duration, where we controlled that. Anyone remember? See here, we don't maintain any hours. No, here like it's a new one, direct creation of the order. Okay, have not come from the task list. Control key, you remember whether scheduling should be part of it or not, or capacity requirement. Yeah, there we control it. Okay, there we have control like scheduling and capacity requirement is not part of this particular one, control key. So separately we are doing it, external services. So need not to enter. Only for PM01 control key, I'm going to enter it. Okay, some 3 levels, some 3 hours, randomly I'm giving, okay, or anything, it's fine, some 5 plus 5. Okay, here need not to enter anything, then it will calculate the work. So for these two things, what we will do, first we will enter this external one, means for these two, PR will be raised. So go for your external tab. Okay, here you mention it. Okay, what is a group and what will be the price? Price will be, example, say some 1000. Okay, for your electrical jobs. Then who is the supplier? I'll maintain same supplier just for our easiness. I'm maintaining the same supplier. Okay, next, like this is done. Then go for another one operation, civil jobs. Civil jobs, some 2000 USD have maintained it. Okay, who is the supplier? Again, 323 have maintained it. Purchasing group, everything is fine. Looks fine. Go for your operation part. See, this is different again. This is services part. Okay, services codes will be different. Okay, as compared to your normal material codes and all. So go for the services part, select this, go for your external part. See here already it got grayed out, this price. Okay, where we can provide this. In real time anyway, user is not providing, but here we have to give. So supplier, I will maintain the supplier first. Here there is a called service numbers. Okay, we have created a service numbers, means in practice server, they have created. Okay, you can use it. The services part. In that direction, they require some electrical services. Okay, and you can go for services also. Some electrical services and anything is there.
That was civil.
Electrical, something I had mentioned.
What second from bottom? Service
External.
repair.
Second from bottom, service repair. Yeah, service for repair generator set. Okay, existing one also you want to do changes, you can mention. A number of services we can add. Okay, I wanted to show you these two things, means we can have a number of services. Okay, summation you will get over here. So here quantity, example say unit of measurement is hours, price is some say 100, something like this. Second one, again some existing one, you say some 300. Okay, the summation has come over here.
UM, I think you entered incorrect. Or
unit of measurement. Okay,
it is HR or what?
HR. It should be HR. What it has taken. Okay, I'll remove this. I'll go for HR, some 300. Then randomly I'll mention. So price, it will be this. The summation of this particular price, it will come over here. Individual services. This is called service package. I guess like by default it is taking for this service. Okay.
Item.
HOU.
Yeah,
it is
yeah. Yes.
item. It is defined like
Service.
this. Yeah, service. It is defined like that. Yes, a cost element again. It is defined for your material only. So this much is done. This is called your sectional procurement data we have to fill. Okay, at this level. Let me go for your components. So like new components, you can have like existing component also. Okay, here we can have new one. Okay, in real time there will be an error because directly we cannot type anything in description and procure it. Okay, normally component item code will be created, but here I'm typing something. Okay, a diesel generator, some 500 kVA, something like this. Required quantity 1. Okay, of course it is in non-stock item. Yeah, and again you require some stock items we can mention for which operation. Okay, for first operation, any operation number we can mention, and please enter a unit of measurement. Okay, each or piece, anything is fine. Delivery date, that is okay. Next, like I'll go for existing one. Example, say I require some bearing. Okay, of course it is in stock component. Yeah, stock component, non-stock stock component, non-stock component. If you go for this operations part, then internal labor, external, and external services. Okay, this is uncompact. We can use it in any order, this combination, and any you can use like multiple orders with multiple combinations. Okay, let me go for your cost part. Report plan bar actual cost. See, nothing is there. Now how will display? Anyone has tried anything? Initially when it is in creator stage. Now, of course, if you save, anyway, it will be executed. That is fine. But any idea about this?
I click on saving. I don't know.
Okay. See here, like if you see, determine cost is there. Okay, it will determine it manually. Okay, or else after saving, it will come. So it will determine the costs. You can go for report plan bar actual cost. You will have this. This is our planned cost, 13,750 something. Okay, come back. Then we want to see this relationship view. We want to keep it. Okay, I will show you how we can have a relationship. Okay, here it is there. Okay, this is how it looks like. Yeah, see this operation is there at 9 something. It is starting 9 o'clock and 14 it is ending. This is also 14. This is also 14, 14, 14. How we can have a means example say relationship. Okay, you want to finish this means another one I will add. Say another one is there. Here inspection of DG, post execution job. Okay, this we can control. Example say some 2 hours. Okay, calculate work. So now I want to keep a relationship between these two operations, which is our under control, right? Means control. This one anyway scheduling, it's not part of this, so I'm not worried about that. These two jobs like I want to control 1 and 5. How? So you go for your operation 1 and 5 and check this date. See both are starting at the same time, 9/9. Okay. See, unless like you do the inspection, you cannot do execution, post execution job. Means everything you've done, the manager is doing some post execution job. How we can keep that relationship? So select this. Okay. Go for your enhancement, this particular tab. Go for your relationships. Okay. You want to keep a relationship. Okay. With which operation? With first operation.
Okay.
Okay. How? What kind of relationship for the operations? Once it is finished, then it should finish this operation. Once it is finished, this operation is finished, this has to start. Okay, once it is start, that time like this should be finished. Okay, when this is starting, then this also should start. This means activity 5. This also start. Start to start, start to finish, finish to start, finish to finish. Which one I should choose?
Finish to start, second one.
Finish to start. The second one I am keeping this relationship. Okay, enter. Go for scheduling will be changed to reflect inclusion of relations. So go for operations part. So you go for this operation. See here it is 9 and 9. So go for your scheduling part. Okay, here schedule it. Normally if you save it will be effective. If not, like go for your scheduling. Now scheduling carried out. Okay, now when it is finishing at this particular time. So that particular time it will start. And whatever hours you have given, that time it will finish. Like this, we can maintain a relationships. Yeah, and here this one we have discussed the stage. Example say this is a preliminary, this is post-execution stage. So post-execution, this one I will change it to 2. Now it's not a main job, it is just a post-execution job. A preliminary job is there, we can have a preliminary job. Okay, this one, this time, this we can have. Then what is the specialty? Normal, all these things we have seen. What are the main configuration settings? Again, with respect to this capital order is concerned. So save. Again, you want to save? Yes. It is fine. Go for your change of this order. Enter. Now order number got generated. Once we release, here like asset will be created in the background. Release order, asset will be created. Okay. Here in this case, inspection lot. Here like asset in construction. Means which is in construction now. You want to purchase it. So you want to see that asset AS03. System will create it in a background. The display is AS03. If they want to create FICO, want to create again AS01 directly code. Okay, let me go and release this order. Okay, before that, I want to see another one thing. It should be like budgeted. Okay, budget is there, right? Another one thing it will come budgeted. It will come. Okay, means for this particular job, there should be some budget given. Means that should be linked to your order. Okay, that is called your budgeted. Okay, this particular order, what is your order number? 4001050. This order is budgeted now. Okay, say like they have given some 15,000 USD. Where we will maintain in our case, like we have to maintain it in real time. FICO team will take care. So this is our order. Against this order, this is your budget. Once it is budget is provided, then your again in order this status will be set budgeted. Again after release, asset in construction. Now whether we can have any limit for this tolerance settings, kind of. Okay, tolerance, because you cannot go for more, right? There should be some limit. So tolerance limits will be set. Who will set? Again FICO. We will see that configuration now. As of now, like we have saved. So come back. Now go for your settings. So you go for investment management. Where is the investment management? Yeah, here. Go for investment management. In that internal orders as investment measures. Okay, go for your planning and budgeting. Okay, here you maintain a budget profile. What is our budget profile? What is the budget profile? You maintain. Okay, from here only we can maintain. Means FICO team will maintain the budget profile. I have showed you for the order type. Okay, go for your position. PM06 order type. This is our budget profile. Okay. For this budget profile, the tolerance limit is set now. This is anyway set for your order type. We have seen this. Come back. From here, they will set FICO team. And now for this, we have to define a tolerance limits for availability control. Okay, go for this, execute. And here see, controlling area is 8000. In that, this one is budget profile. Okay, general budget profile. Some settings will be there in background. Okay, this for a target activity group. For everything it is there. For all activity groups, they have maintained goods issue. There is a target, purchase orders for project, purchase order, purchase requisitions. For everything, budgeting. Okay, for everything there is a tolerance limit. They can customize it also. Yeah. And now see budget limit for this, where it is. Yeah, for this, there is something called 85%. Means what is this 85? Means this is in percentage, okay? Usage in percentage. What will happen when you consume this 85% budget? This is the one message you will get it. If it is 1, then you'll get a warning message. If you are set like 2, here you will get a warning with mail to person responsible. Here we have maintained a 3, means error message. It doesn't allow you to go forward. If you are doing some posting, it doesn't allow. If you are doing some say confirmation, it doesn't allow. Okay, all those things. If you are doing some consumption in services part, it doesn't allow. It will restrict that. So we will see it. Means you remember this 85% we have set. So come back. This is configured again. So go for your order part. So go for your cost part. As of now, what is your budget? Means what is your planned cost? Sorry, planned cost is 14,750. Budget is 14,750. For this, what will be your 85%? I'm doing just a reverse calculation. Okay, budget is not assigned yet. This one, 12,000. Okay, means 85%. Means if your budget is this much, total budget, example say, if you reach this 12,537, then it should be an error message. Okay, anyway, we are setting some 20,000 now. We will give budget now 20,000. Go for this 20,000 multiplied by 85%. How much? 17,000. Okay, till there sets till 17,000 there is a cushion. This error part we will see it later. Okay, because still like we are at this place. Then we will provide budget of 20,000. So go for it. So come back. First we will release it. Once asset is created, then we will go for a budgeting, or before also we can go. So anyway, order is created, right? Let me save. Let me go for your budgeting. Once budget is there, then only you start your job. So go for this another one session. Then go for KO22 is your T code, FICO T code again. This is your budget. They will maintain it for this particular order. Just ensure the order. Yeah, 1050. So enter now. For this particular order, see already it has come. This is the planned total variance, planned cost. So what is your budget for which financial year? So some budget is given. For our example, I'm taking like 20,000. Okay, overall budget also we should provide. What is your overall budget? Okay, in this like year wise we can distribute it. Got it? This is the budget. What is an 85%? We know 17,000. Still under cushion. So save it. Now budget is given. Then come back to your order part. Enter. Here it will be updated as budgeted. Budgeted. Okay. And your for this profile is there, right? Once budgeted is there, then anyway for that particular profile there is a tolerance limit set. Okay. So availability control is active. Okay. This particular thing, tolerance, it is set against your controlling area and profile. That profile is being assigned to your order type. Okay, so this availability control is active now. So come back. It's purely again FICO thing in backend. So now we'll release it. Good to release this particular order. Order release refused as permits are missing. Go for your permits. Okay, this cost we have given, right? It has gone to maturity level. So continue. Go for release of this order. Okay, release and save it. Once the release, then status it will be asset in construction. Means there is already asset in construction exists. In backend asset got created already. That is a FICO asset. So come back where we can go and check again. This let it be budget part. Go for another one session. Go for AS03. Okay, for the asset. AS03 I have maintained budgeting, budgeted KO 22 is a T code. Yeah, AS03. So I'm going for the display. Why? Because backend already it got created. So this is our asset reset, or like you can go for search. Enter master data. So in test 02 or something else, we'll check this origin. Okay, come down. Yeah, not this one. Ours is different. So let me go for the asset. This new backup a diesel generator. This is our asset. Enter. New backup diesel generator. Account determination. Okay, this is some number, time dependent. All these things are related to them cost center. They will fill it up. Okay, once it is there. So go for your origin. Okay, you come down, scroll it. So here you can check. Sorry, here you can check your order, investment order. This asset got created against your order. Got it? This is an integration between PM and FI.
So eventually there will be two assets in FA.
Two asset in?
Your fixed asset module.
No, this is one asset against one order, right? We have created one asset.
No. But the old generator is, I mean, is still there, right?
That is there. That how it has come. That is a different case again.
Yeah. So that is what. So for one physical asset, maybe you have two entries in FA. One is the original one, which is being depreciated, and another new one we have created, right?
Correct. Exactly.
Okay.
That will be there. And again, the depreciations, everything, it will be maintained over here. Book depreciation, log, something, all those things fill again fee correlated. Everything it is maintained against this particular asset. Okay. And we'll go for display of the order. Go for header data. Go for your document flow. Here you'll see this purchase requisitions, right? Same purchase requisitions, different items. So let me 516. We'll go and create a PO for this. Go for ME21N. So we can adapt this. It contains so many, almost these 4 items. For 4 items, single vendor, single supplier. So single PO is okay, adapted. Or we can have 4 different POs. It's fine. Adaptive like electrical jobs. We'll come to this electrical jobs, civil jobs, erection of a DG. Okay, different services. I guess, yeah, this is fine. VN supplier, fine. Contract exists for material group, fine. Can delivery date be met, fine. Again, like contract, it's fine. Contract exists, fine. Last one, I guess, like we didn't maintain the price for the new diesel generator, right? We didn't maintain a purchasing data for this item. So I will maintain some purchasing. Means what is the budget left out? Say 14, right? I have used like more, just like for the till 17 I can go. So we will go for some 1000. Okay, still it will be within the limit. Just I have kept logic. This is wrong. You have to give more budget for this machine, but still. Yeah, enter. Okay, consider this item. Okay, here it is grayed out. Then you can go for items. Here you can check this. Go for the services part. I guess whether services are there. Okay, I guess like in this services is not shown. Okay, normally you'll have services. Okay, there if the person wants to change any price, means you can change. This is for the delivery. Let me check. Anywhere it is maintained. No, it's not maintained. It's fine. No issues. Normally it will be it will have a, oh, okay, sorry. I'm checking for this item, right? It will be there, this. Okay, here we can find then. No issues. Yeah, here it is enabled. Say here, if you want to change the price, here you have to change the price for the purchase order team. Okay, purchase team. Then here it will get reflected. Okay, I don't want to change anything, so I'll keep it same. Okay, for the third line item. Okay, item details you have to check with this way. If you go for again this one, this is different. So go for third line item, then you will find the services part. The same thing what we have seen in our order. Services it will be written, right? Yes. Okay, in practice you want to change something, you can edit over here. So go for the same, save. Here's the standard PO got 2132 got created. Then come back. After this, then again like user will go to the stores to collect the material. Right. So we'll collect the goods issue will be done first. So a purchase order exists in document flow. So what is your order number? Order number or reservation number? 1050. Go for your goods issue part. Go for your order part. 1050. Okay. There is on stock material also, right? That first like we will complete it. Come down, item okay. Check for any errors. Do the posting. Now this is the first like actual cost. It has come. Now budget it will check. Okay, budget availability control is active, right? Now from here, budget will start checking. Okay, this budget. Okay, whether it is like beyond, if you go 17,000, then it will like give a error message. So now what happens? Another one I wanted to show you. Go for your notification. See here this concept. See what we are doing. There was a stock. Actual posting was done. Migo goods issue. Now manpower. Okay, non-stock we will have it. Okay, for this also Migo goods received. Okay, this also Migo goods received. But I don't want to do it Migo goods received now because work is should be completed, right? Then we'll go for external labor. So that item I don't want to post it now. Go for your purchase order. Some 32, I guess. Go for execute. Doesn't contain items for us. Okay, sorry. Here it should be goods receipt against a purchase order. So execute it. See, there are 3 items. Why 3 items? Because in purchase order there should be 4 items. Right. One is electrical jobs, civil jobs, on this and erection we have maintained. Why this is missing over here? Anyone? Which one is missing?
I think that service one has 2, one inside another.
Service 1 is missing, right, over here. Means what is our service 1? See, it's PM03 control key. Okay. If you go for your order part, where we were, this one only, right? Yeah. Go for your operations part. We can see this. Okay, sorry. We can see this civil jobs. Okay, these 2 things and one non-stock item, the diesel generator. Only 3 we can see. We are not able to see this one. Means we cannot post it through Migo goods receipt. Okay. So going for this, how we will have an actual cost for this then? We will have actual cost means posting. Actual cost means posting. Okay. Actual cost we will have ML81N. It's called service entry sheet is created for services. Okay. It's again like different transaction. Example, say in our home, there is a water filter, right? There is a service engineer is there. Okay. We'll give an order for 1 year period, annual contract kind of thing. Every like 3 months he will come. Then we'll give a partial thing, right? Amount. Example, say if it is some 1,000, then divided by 4, like that we'll distribute. So that we can have in service entry sheet. Every time means 4 service entry sheets will be created. 4 times billing will happen against a single purchase order. Okay, which is valid for 1 year period. That services we can have. Means same your diesel generator, there is a service engineer from the OEM. Okay, you give a purchase order for 1 year. Then you create a external services material number. Okay, some service order again and valid for 1 year period. And how you are having an actual billing through ML81N, that is service entry sheet, or we'll call it as an SRN. Okay, service receipt note, like that they'll call SRN. This is the familiar word for the MM team. Okay, we will see that. So that is the reason we cannot see that particular one. We cannot do it through Migo goods receipt. So of course, I don't want to do this also. So select this electrical jobs and mechanical jobs, delete it. Later we will do it. Oh, okay. Everything got selected. Delete this without okay. Not considering selecting everything. Delete lines without okay. Distribute quantity. Okay. We do one thing. Huh? This is okay. What we will do, we will make it like okay for only one line item, and we will post it instead of deleting in the list. So go for this diesel generator. Only diesel generator, we are receiving it as of now. Okay, post it. Okay, later we will come back for this goods receipt part. Now what is happening? We are at this level. Goods movement posting is done. So come back. Goods movement posting is done. Goods issue is done. Goods receipt also done. Now your technician, they will perform the job at site. Right, after completion, then first step, like we do this internal labor confirmation part. So come back, go for your internal labor confirmation. AW41. How many operations for internal labor? 2 operations. Go for this actual data. I'll complete this. Okay. You can mention for other one. Okay. Anyway, we have completed. Continue. I'm remaining means I don't mention this final confirmation. Okay. Yeah, nothing. I'm doing this no remaining work. If I do complete, okay, I don't mark this. So no remaining work, clear open reservations if any. So save it. Okay, you can charge off in connection with. Okay, this 1 second. This I will mention. Okay. Anyway, I completed it. Next time I'll come back. For some job like I'll leave it. Okay. As unconfirmed. We'll go for again Migo. We will do the confirmation means we'll go for the goods receipt, nothing but actual posting for your manpower part. PM02. So these two things. Now I'll go for item OK. Go for this item OK again. Check for any errors. Everything is okay. Then post it. Yeah, it's done. Now go for your order part. Display order. Go for your cost part. Now all costs got accounted. Okay, this much is done. Now one is not there. This third party. This is also done. This is purchase services time.
Why there is a variance in this here?
Yeah, this is the variance rate 6,500. Which one we have taken this 6,500? Some quantity we have changed.
No, that is what I was saying. It has two components, purchase service time.
Ah, okay. Okay. One
did one
3,500, no? That is some 3,500 it was there.
Correct.
Okay. 3,500. It has to be done now. Okay. Another material, this plant cost, it was not there. Third party material is there. 1,000 something. Over here in plant, it was not there. Okay, let me go for this components part. This let me check whether it is done or not. Go for your okay final issue. Yeah, final issue is done. Next one, again here, yeah, final issue done for both. Okay, go for again your document flow. You can see every detailed report at this level. Okay, confirmation is done now. Okay, almost everything like confirmation. So he can cross check over here for how many hours like you have done for 25 and 4 hours. This is done, and this also posting is done for this level. These two things. Okay, how much it was? Go for you external. Okay, 3,500. Okay, for erection of DG. So come back. One is posted already. Another one is 1,000. 4,500 it is posted. That is a different amount you can see there. 4,500, right? That is what you can check over here. Okay, 3,000 and 4,000. Okay, we will check this once we do this particular one from where this material has come. Third-party material. Third-party material is your services, right? We selected at last. Again, multiple selections we have done, right? That particular part. Okay, I remember now. Go for your operations. Select this one. Select this particular part. Go for your external. Here, third-party material. Okay. So this one, service material. Once we go for this cost, then we will have clarity at 3,005. So come back. How we can have an actual cost again? So till now what we have done, go for this labor cost IW41. We have gone for that. Stock component, again Migo goods issue. This also done earlier. Okay, before performing the job. Again non-stock and goods receipt. Then external labor. Again your goods receipt. Just now we have done. Now is left out is this particular cost. Okay, electrical services. So go for your electrical services part. Go for your ML81N. This is again planning person will do or a difference. Okay. Some other purchase order. What is our purchase order number? Okay. This is our purchase order number. Go for your other purchase order. So enter. Continue. Erection of DG. Okay. Select this. Go for your entry sheet. Okay. Create entry sheet. For this, the one entry sheet has been created. Okay. Next, like you go for the service selections. What kind of services they're providing, and you have to make a selections. Okay, from purchase order, this adopt your full quantity. So continue. Okay, there are two services. Okay, these two services, right? You're talking about this 100 into 5,
Yeah.
500,
Yeah.
and this 3,000. Okay. These two services. Now it will come like which all services. Select these two services. Go for this services part. This is an again end user job. Again taught by team for that for them like how to do it, or storekeeper, whatever. Normally storekeeper they doesn't do because it's related to the material. So inside services part, who takes care it, those people will do it. So erection of DG for capex project, something 4-5 months it will run. Every month the billing should happen, right? That is the reason. So here you cannot change any thing. Okay, only the quantity we can change, partial quantity. The price and all we cannot touch, not this. So you release it. Accepted means you accept it. Servicer accepted, it got grayed out. So save it. 2132 and 30 line item. Now for external services, it got posted. Yeah, go back for order part. Display your order. Then go for your header data. Then go for your document flow. This is the third operations. Go for your 003. So goods receipt. Again, it will take you to this. Okay, this is the third, second operation, I guess. Service entry sheet. Here it is mentioned. Okay, you can differentiate it. Service entry sheet, that like goods receipt number, item. Okay, if you double click on this, you will come to know it is an accepted services. So here it is accepted. So come back. Now cost flow should be there. Go for this. Now you can see the cost part. Now everything is fine. Okay, only this 1000, I don't know from where it has come. Means here plan was not there, some third party material. It has come directly over here. Maybe like I have entered the price there in purchase order. Somewhere 1000. Okay, I don't remember. Oh, this one, right? This part, right? This diesel generator. Select this, go for your purchase details. Here, we didn't mention any price. This price is that, which was not planned. Understood?
Yeah, you added that price in the purchase order directly.
Purchase order. That's why. There was no plan. Zero.
So plan is 0. Actually, you spent 1000.
Actual we maintained in purchase order directly. That is the way variance has come. Okay.
Yeah.
Now it's still like fine. Yeah. Rest everything got settled. Okay, this external services part, consulting part, all those things. Now whether it is in within the limits. Now still okay, go for this. Okay, within the limits. Okay, how much it is? 15,750. 15,750. Still there is a cushion. Okay, minus this much. So 1000 to 250. So what I will do, I'll go for the order part. I will just add one random operation at this level. Okay. Okay, I'm in a display. Let me go for the change of the order. Enter. Go for your operations part. Go for your test for budget or some post execution job. I thought like this, I don't want to do execution, but I have done wrong, means by mistake, by fast I have done it. It's fine. Here what I will do, I'll go for the 2 plus some 4. How much it will become? 8. 8 multiplied by 250. Anyway, I can increase. 8 multiplied by 250. 250 is over this one. 2000. 2000 is okay. Good. Anyway, it is over that. It will exceed. Right? So save it. So I'll go for confirmation part. Okay. Now actual posting again happens. Okay. Go for this IW41. One operation is left out. Now if I do, cushion is like 1250, right? I'm going for this, means 8 multiplied by 250 is 2000. Now it should not allow. So error arose during your actual cost calculation. Okay. You want to see this error log confirmation? Yes. What it is? Order 1050 budget almost exhausted. Okay. Again, what I will do, I will go for your budget part, KO22. I have to come out, or let me check this. Okay, KO22. Yeah, is the budget. Okay, order is being processed. That's what. So I'll come out of this. So come back now. See, it is not allowing to save. So no. So we have come out. Again, I'm going for this KO22, change original budget. So again, you think like approval got. So how much? Some 22,000, 23,000 I'll put overall. Okay, for this financial year also 23. Also save it. This would be sufficient, I guess. Let me again go for your confirmation part. Final confirmation, no remaining work, clear open reservations and check, save it. Try to save it. Now it got saved. Right. This how we can have this control. Now whether like our job completes, no. Now again there is an integration part. Okay. Now example say technically they have completed, means technical person has completed. Now again, like your documentation job is left out. What is the documentation job? See this, you bought one new asset, right? A diesel generator. Okay. Where it is physically, means in system it is not there. Normally you have to create one component material code, or with material code you brought, but for PM is concerned, equipment should be there. Correct. How you create an equipment then? Go for your equipment. How you create this equipment? Normally, you know this PM side, we can create one normal T code with this equipment. Whether we can create from FI side, normally we have created like from PM side, we have created one asset in construction. From FI side, we have to create one equipment, means their side. Asset has come, they are like creating a equipment from their side. So what is the T code for that? Two options. Okay, in real time that doesn't happen. Why? Because those people are not allowed to create it unless like it is auto creation. So go for your asset. Okay, how? Go for this AS02. This is our asset. Enter, cross check it. New bus. Okay, fine. Go for your, go to edit extras. Anywhere is there? Yeah. See here, equipment. Okay, asset, equipment. No objects were selected. Some configuration is required. See. Okay. Again, you change somewhere. No. Environment. Again, it is asking. Okay, it will ask again. Okay, this is on configuration settings again. So program should be enabled, but I don't think so. Okay, this is like normally automatic. Okay, we can make it in a background. Example, say some function locations. I'll try function location. No objects could be selected that met your selection criteria. Okay, fine. So this is the is auto method. Now let me go for a manual method. The right procedure. Normally we do it always. So go for your I01, create one equipment. Okay, for that again, diesel generator 001. Okay, something like new one available. Okay, so how do you differentiate whether it got created with respect to that? Any idea? Anyone? Because you guys created already this equipment, right? Any field you came across which is related to the investment order? So let me go for your RI01 where we want to install. We will check this. Go for this. Let me go for your utility department. Go for your utility department. I want to install the new equipment under the utility department. Anyone has come across any field which is related to now, means investment order? I'll give a hint. Asset. Anywhere you have seen asset in equipment tab or function location tab. So go for your organization. Here only it is their asset. Okay. This is one area, business area. This is your WS element. Instead of that, we are keeping like cost center. So go for your asset now. Here you choose it asset. Okay. Now I'm linking it. Understood. So save this particular equipment. Okay, 3087. Go for your order part. Go for this equipment. Now you can assign this. Okay. 1003084. Then automatically this object information anyway, it is there. Okay, it has come. Okay, 3084. Sorry, wrong number I have given. There was equipment got created. 3087. Okay, department responsible. This partner function is not available. Yeah, because already it was assigned, right? So that existing one, it will remove that data. Now it has come, utility department, new one. This completes again with respect to technical. Okay, next step ahead, documentation purpose level. Now directly we can close it. Technically, TECO, this particular order. Next step again it is in settlement is there. Here again, settlement at what level you do? At WBS level. Okay, or fixed asset level. So let me go for your settlement receiver. So by default, what is maintained means here it is not maintained. Why? Anyone can answer this? By this time, you'll be knowing this.
Yeah, you have not maintained it at the work order type.
Work order type? No. Work order type, anyway, we seen configuration settings, right? We have seen that settlement profile, budget profile, everything we have maintained at work order type level. Any other reasons? Just now I have done that.
Don't remember. Yeah.
Okay. See, this is simple. The settlement receiver, from where it will fetch? It will be fetched
Oh, so
initially.
you
Like
just created that equipment, right? That
equipment,
asset.
right? In that, like, yeah, in that, now we have assigned it. Correct. See, you can choose this. Why these things are coming? Again, settlement receiver, settlement profile. In that settlement profile, these are the options we have maintained. Means optional, optional, optional. One default, whatever is there. Example, say this default, you might have means maintained in your order, then it will come. So I'll go for fixed asset. Though, what is your receiver? Again, the receiver number should be maintained. See, only fixed assets are only 3. So I'll maintain this. Whether we can settle it? No. Again, so asset is investment measure, transaction type not allowed. Okay. So all these relative settings and all should be done by them. Okay, these settings. This cost center, everything should be active. Again, origin and depreciation areas, everything should be done by them. Then only we can go for the settlement. Or else directly we can go for this order part. Where we are into here. Go for this WBS element instead of this. Okay, if it is a valid WBS element is there, we can post it. As you said, right? Some project is there, budget is maintained. Means example say, in utility department, if it comes to in picture, capital means there is a huge budget, right? Not only the DG. Example says a water line, they are taking care of something. That time they'll create a WBS element. In that, this is one job. Okay, the DG is one job, capital overall. Right, some other utilities also works are there. So that time WBS element will be there. So I'll select some WBS element. So error I may get it, activate component project, something like that. Okay, this is a FICO part. Again, once the WBS element is done, related like cost centers, all those things means whatever cost flow, everything they'll give us. Okay, whether we can go for settlement CTR and go for our this one, then we can settle it easily. We can do settlement. So let me go for your say 1050. We'll see settlement. Okay, wait yet. What error it will throw or it will settle. See, go for this settlement 8th period. Okay, execute. So define a settlement cost element for receiver type of fixed asset. Okay, this error you'll get it. In allocation structure A1. Why again this error is coming? We have defined this fixed asset, not a cost center in our equipment. That is why. Okay. Logically, we'll do it for fixed asset or like WBS. Why? Because whatever your expenditure you're doing, okay, again you purchase the bearing, again you purchase the manpower, all those things, amount and all, everything like FICO wants to transfer to this particular equipment. Okay, asset. They want to keep a depreciation value from that day one. Okay, it is not like appreciation, right? Already like depreciation means you have invested some amount, again expenditure, apart from your purchasing. Again, you invested like labor cost for the installation purpose. So all those amount they want to again send it back to the FXA for depreciation purpose. Yep. So this is purely again FI integration part. Yes, on this I will prepare one PDF again document. The next class we'll see about inspection rounds. Okay, now what we have done, we have created a task list. Okay, here only inspection characteristics were added. Now last class, like you asked a doubt, saying that we can have a measuring points, okay, checklist kind of thing. So we will assign this equipment. Measuring points means these measuring points are assigned to your equipment. Okay, and this equipment we cannot assign at the order level. Okay, so in equipment we can assign at a task list level. Okay, this task list contains equipment, and this equipment contains a measuring document. Then we are having a measuring docs during your confirmation IW41. This is your day in day out work. This we will make it as a planned order. Again, same, we'll create a maintenance plan. Okay, you can call it as an inspections or like some inspection rounds and all. Yeah. Shall I take on 5 minutes? I wanted to show you one thing. I thought in today's class, like I'll show you. Is it okay? On 5 minutes, it will take that set. So we'll go for Fury apps. Okay, this is a standard one. If anyone knows, like want to see this standard Fury apps, you can have this. Okay, Fury apps library.hana. Then you go for cloud or S4 HANA. Then let me go for the cloud part. Then go for your SAP best practices for your all like Fury apps. Okay, then you go for asset management. Okay, here like orders are there, different orders. So let me go for, we have covered this corrective maintenance orders, all those things. Let me go for one find maintenance notification. This job is done during your start of the project, especially. Okay, some people will be there, like SAP roles and authorizations are there. Now earlier used to call like SAP security team. Now roles team is different. Okay, roles and authorizations, they'll take care. If you go for your implementation information, in this, if you go for, means if you come down, there is something called roles. Okay, these roles you'll see at your profile SE01. Okay, again it is created by a security team. Mention your user ID if you have an access. Go for the symbol here like roles. Okay, this is a standard roles in a practice server, but in real-time server, this it cannot be the same. Okay, name will be custom names they'll provide. Say that technician, manager, assistant manager, like general manager, like that they'll keep something. Okay, coordinator, all those things. In that one, like they will have multiple roles, different roles. Okay, for that they'll create one authorization groups that they will assign. Example, say now you see that approvals, right? Maintenance order approvals. Okay, here this is one case I wanted to show you. Then if you go to this particular app, you can read about these particular features, what this can do, this maintenance notification. See here, they have written what all features it has. Okay, about every like app. Then go for your implementation. So you want to install this particular app. Then what is your product version? Okay, here I will show you SAP UI5 application. Okay, this is your technical name. Okay, where we check to activate this, go for this particular technical name, then go for your transaction called SICF. Okay, again it's an Fury developer will do it. Okay, it's not our job, but just for the knowledge purpose, you can have this service name we will put. Okay, here in SICF, this should be activated at initial stage. So example, say like it is not visible. Okay, one of the reason is it could be this. Okay, go for this level, SICF, then go for this particular one, go for this activate service. Okay, here it is activated already, the service. Find maintenance order, right? Find maintenance notification. This is the first step. Okay, at service. All SIFs means SICFs will be activated. Some will be deactivated conditions. Okay, based on the requirement, client requirements, we can have this. So come back, and again there is another one T code. Okay, we can have /n/UI2. I will give this list anyway. /FLPM _ customer. Okay, this is catalog kind of thing. So enter. Okay, here it is not there. FLPM, FLPCM /n/UI2 /FLPCM_CUST. So again, I'm going for this. See here, there are something called catalogs. Right, this catalog, technical catalogs. So copy this. This is again roles job. He will copy, means he will maintain the custom catalogs now. Okay, this catalog got like this roles, right? These many roles. Okay, example says some person doesn't require this management coordinator, so he will create one custom catalog. So let me go for this maintain users here. This one, okay, sorry, we are in somewhere I opened. Yeah, this particular part. Go for your search catalogs. This catalog, you search, go. See this particular search catalog, SAP_TCEAM common. This is on technical catalog. Technical catalog consists of so many roles. Okay, report malfunction, schedule outputs, manage, all these things we cannot give. Means if you assign this particular catalog having these roles to some user, then you will have access for all these things. So normal standard for any client, they will customize it, SAP roles team. Okay, Fury developer will develop it for activation, all those things. This is the one we can check. Okay, from where we got this catalog part we got. See here. Roles, I have showed you roles. These catalogs consist of these roles. Okay, this catalog is customized. Okay, all roles are not assigned to the person. Now another one thing is services should be active. Okay, that where we can check this we can check at OData services. Okay, for this like OData services, you copy this again. There is another one path. Okay, let me go for that particular path. /n IWFD maintain_service. Let me check this. /n/UI2. WFND is there. Okay, I missed that. Okay, this particular page it will get opened. Again, you go for Control F. Okay, like search button. Again, you go for this. Search for it. See, one hit displayed. Okay, so continue. Close where it is. Here. Okay, external service name. This OData are like enabled. That means which is usable again, like it goes to your Fury Launchpad. If it is not active, we cannot have this particular Fury tile in there. Got it? Means this is an initial one you want to check before going for any, means raising a ticket from a consultant side.